In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save as draft in Depop 2026 guide. If you're prepping listings ahead of time or batching your workflow, drafts are a great way to get organized without publishing anything before you're ready. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the drafts feature and how to create the draft slots you'll fill in later. Start by heading to Depop. You can do this in a browser or in the app. The layout may look slightly different, but the flow is the same. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to orient yourself. We're going to navigate from your account area, so look to the top right corner of the screen. That's where your profile icon lives. Click the profile icon to open your account options. This pulls up the tools that matter to sellers, which is where the drafts feature sits. Next, choose your selling hub. This is the central place for managing everything you sell on Depop: listings, orders, and in our case, drafts. On the left-hand side panel, you'll see the different sections of the hub. Find and select drafts. This takes you to your drafts workspace, where you can manage items that aren't live yet. On the right-hand side, click Add Draft. You'll be prompted to enter the number of drafts you want to create. This is especially handy if you plan to prepare several listings in one sitting. Enter the count that matches your workflow. After you've typed in the number, click Confirm. Depop will generate those draft slots for you instantly. They won't be visible to buyers. They're simply placeholders you can open and complete when you're ready. A quick note on how to use these effectively. Once the draft slots are created, you can return to them anytime from your selling hub, then drafts. Open a draft to add details like photos, descriptions, pricing, and shipping info at your own pace. Nothing goes live until you actively publish the listing, so feel free to save and step away. If something looks different on your screen, make sure your app or browser is up to date, and remember that Depop may adjust layout names slightly over time while keeping the flow consistent. That's it. You went to Depop, accessed your profile, opened your selling hub, navigated to drafts, clicked Add Draft, entered how many you needed, and confirmed. You now have a clean, structured way to prepare listings in advance without rushing. Thanks for watching, and happy listing.